Yes, YouTube is paying. YouTube is really paying the partnership members. Who are the partnership members? They are those that monetize the channel. So if you have monetized the channel, you are a YouTube partnership member. That is it. So for those of you out there that have not monetized their channel, these are the requirements. What you need to get monetized. You need a 1,000 subscriber, 3,000 watch hour. Although during my own time it was 4,000 watch hour, but now I think they have reduced it to 3,000 watch hour. So if you have this, you can monetize your channel. That is it. So for the new members, that is those that monetize their channel new, those that don't join the partnership program new. So you be wondering, how am I going to withdraw my money on YouTube? How do YouTube pay me? Where can I see my earning? Where can I this? Where can I that? This video is for you. And also for the upcoming creators, this video also is for you. My name is Mr. Truthful. Yes, you can give me a follow. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and for more videos. That is it. So today I'll be showing you how you can get your money and where you can see your earnings. All the money you make for YouTube, where are you going to see them, and how is it going to get to your bank account? Everything I will show you today. So in the YouTube, there's something we call Google Access. So this is a Google Access. So this Google Access, they are the one that pay all monetized members, all the partnership members. This Google Access send them their money, their earnings direct to their bank account. Or you can also apply for check. They will send your check to anywhere you are in the world. You will get your check from them. So any money you make from your YouTube, it move every 8th of every month. It will move from your YouTube studio to this Google Access. So this Google Access, that is where you will see your earnings. So before, permit me to say this, this video now is a theory part. So before the end of this video, I'll be showing you the practical aspect of this video. I'll be showing you the practical aspect, so you'll be seeing everything. But let me explain to you very so I think you can understand me well. So this Google Access, they are the one that pay all creators to their bank account or by check, by any means they pay to them. So once you have monetized your channel and money start coming into your Google Access account. So this Google Access account, once you reach the threshold is from $100 upward. So once you have gotten to $100, then you will see a place that will tell you that you should verify your address. You should verify your address. So when you click on verify address, you do some things there. So Google Access will send this to you. No matter the country you are, once you have put in once you click on that verify address, because if you don't verify your address, you can't get paid. They won't pay you anything. They won't pay you a dime. You must verify your address before you can put your method of payment or whatever. So once you click on that verified address, you put your address, your this postal code or zip code, you fill it there. So YouTube will send this card to you. This is mine. You can see it here, Mr. Truthful Entertainment, yeah, Enugu, Nigeria. They send this to me. So I went to the post office to get it. So they will send this to you. So once you get this, there is a pin attached to it. So this pin is what you are going to use to verify the address. So once you input this pin, after you put in this pin, they will tell you verify successful. Then you now see a option where you can put your payment method. If you want your payment by bank transfer or you want it by check, they will send check to you. Those the same way they send this to you, they will send your check to you also anywhere you want. But for me, my own is a bank account. I put in my bank account. So every 21st to 26th of every month, you get once you have reached the threshold from $100 and above, they will automatically send the money to that payment method you choose, that account that you put in your payment method. every 21st, once you have reached that $100 and above, they forward the money to your bank account automatically to move. Once the money move from the YouTube studio to Google Access, from Google Access it move down to your bank account. So that is it. So every 21st to 26th, Google Access transfer your money to your bank account. You see? So that is it. So right now, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. So keep watching. Thank you. So this is the creator studio. So this is the creator studio. This is how monetized YouTube channel look like. Estimated revenue, all this. So you go to earn, you see. So I've already complete this. This is a payment is heading your way. So by with between 21st to 26th of July, I'll be receiving my $100 payment to my bank account. So this July earning is the money I make, the money I'm still making, the money that's still coming up in month of July. By God grace, it will also reach to $100 and it will be paid to my Google Access. So let me show you the Google Access. Here is the Google Access. So the Google Access look like this. You can see it, Google Access. So you click on this three line here. You see where the you see it here, payment. You click on payment. So once you click on payment, you go down to payment info. That is payment information. So allow it to load. You can see it's loading. After loading, so you switch from here. You go to YouTube Nigeria US dollar. Once you click that, once you click it, you see you have reached 100% of your payment threshold payment. You can see, so I've reached $100. So this $100 now be paid to my bank account within 21st to 26th of July, that's of this month, to get to my bank account. So this is my bank details. I've input it here, my bank details. You can see add payment. You see, add payment. You can receive your money you can receive your money by wire transfer to your bank account. You can also receive your money by check details. So which each of them you choose. So if you choose the bank details, you can see optional name of bank. You can see it here, bank name, your swift this thing that is you can get that from your bank, from your bank. You can reach your bank customer care, they will get that for you. And your account number, you retype your account number again. All these are optional, and then you save. So once you have done this, once you have reached the $100 threshold and above, you get your payment direct to your bank account. So uh, according to the previous video I did earlier, I said that verifying your access pin. So let's go there now. This is where you will see your access pin. Under the payment, you see where there is a verification check. So this is where you verify your address. So you can see I've complete mine. So in case you have not done your own, so you go down to payment. Under the payment, you will see verification check. So you click on it. If you have not done this, you will see option for your this thing, your address verification, your this and that. After that, they will now send you that as that pin. They will send you pin because you will use pin to verify your address. So when they send the pin to you, but why my own show complete is that I've already done that. So I've filled in my pin and every other things there. So this is just it. Nothing much. Once you have filled this once you have finished this verification check, next thing is to put your payment. Once you put your payment, you start making your money. Once you get your $100, automatically You can see you can see how it is stated here. They say that a payment is heading your way. Expect a payment 21st to 26th July. You can see this. So I'm expecting this money now in my bank account. So that is it. So according to my how I do my things, I'm creating content to make people happy and smile. I'm not after the money. That is it. So when this money get to my account, I'll be going to the motherless baby home and I will give it out and help people. So let's make this world a conducive place for every one of us to be. So that is it. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, in case you have any challenge in any one way or the other, please feel free to chat me up, to send me a message. I will reply. Feel free to chat me up, and also on the comment section, comment what next you want me to explain on, what you want me to review. You can drop it below the comment section. Mr. Truthful, see what I want you to say next. You can put it there. I will do that for you. That is it. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that by subscribing. Thank you. Love you. Bye bye. So that is all you need. So I'm glad you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Thank you so much. Love you. So on the comment section, you can comment what next you want me to explain on. What anything you don't understand, you can drop a comment there. I will see it. I will do the next review. That is it. And another thing, the next review I'll be doing for those of you that be wondering that I don't get views, I don't get this on video. By my next video, I'll be teaching you on how to post on YouTube and when to post and when not to post on YouTube. So thank you for that. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yeah. I won't follow you talk. Share you don't watch the video. I beg. Like, comment and share. I beg. See you next time. More video coming soon. Okay?
You can really cover my tip for the